Do you know the first and oldest university was built by a woman? Meet Fatima Al-Fihiri. Fatima Al-Fihiri transformed education in a way that still impacts us today. Born in Tunisia, Fatima moved to Fez, Morocco with a vision. In 859 AD, she used her inheritance to establish the University of Al-Qarawiyyin, not just a mosque, but a sanctuary of knowledge. Imagine this, a 9th century university offering math, astronomy, and languages. Scholars from all over the Muslim world and Europe flocked to study there. And guess what? UNESCO and Guinness World Records recognize it as the world's oldest degree-granting institution. Talk about a lasting legacy. Fatima Al-Fihiri's story isn't just about bricks and books. It's about breaking barriers and empowering generations. She's a testament to the powerful role women have played in shaping global knowledge. So next time you think of pioneers in education, remember Fatima Al-Fihiri, the woman who laid the foundation for centuries of learning. Follow and repost to share her incredible story.